Up next, credit counselors are supposed to help you, but are they really just using you to help themselves? Asa has answers.
As you may know, getting into debt can be pretty easy. Getting out can take years.
Very familiar with this. So plenty of places claim to help, but Asa tells you you've got to be a little careful who you deal with.
And there is no doubt they're helping. The question is who they're helping. You know, credit counselors and debt consolidators have been around for decades. In the past few years, though, a number of companies have entered the field with mixed results.
Patria Davis is retired on a fixed income and determined to pay off $16,000 of debt. A debt consolidator set her up with payments of $434 a month.
Well, I cut back on a lot of things, not my rent because I have to pay my rent because I don't want to be on the street, but I cut back on like paying my telephone bill and paying my light bill.
Belt tightening did little.
Credit cards will continue calling and say it's not getting enough. And they will, instead of going, the payments go down, they will be increasing.
Every week they would email me that their proposal they needed an increase. So, I mean, they weren't helpful at all.
Different situation, different debt consolidator, same problem. Single mother Elsa Camacho says her attempt to climb out from under $12,000 in debt actually backfired because her payments to the counseling service were not forwarded to her creditors.
They told me not to pay my bills, to stop paying them. So it increased a lot, my bills.
Charles Juntikka, an attorney and critic of some debt consolidators, says many consumers don't really understand what they're getting into.
They pretend to be credit counselors, but they're really bill collectors in a way, taking big commissions on what they collect, and they don't let the clients know that. If you speak to somebody for 4 minutes and they say fax something in, please don't use them.
Because experts in that field agree it takes a lot more time to determine if you're even a candidate for credit counseling. They also agree that what was once a pretty solid consumer auction has been hurt by glorified bill collectors masquerading as counselors. So you can go on our website, WNBC.com, and we will connect you with consumer agencies that can help you pick a proper debt counselor.